Introducing Accelerate, a virtual reality training environment where core cleanroom training is delivered in a digital replica of a real-life GMP facility for hands-on learning without the associated risks. Step into the virtual cleanroom suite, where trainees can build confidence and understanding of GMP behaviours in a risk-free virtual space. Accelerate reduces training time by allowing trainees to undertake orientation in the immersive facility and to practice GMP standard operating procedures before they enter the physical cleanroom. Experience the transformative benefits of VR training. Waste is reduced because VR eliminates the need for single-use plastic consumables, reducing environmental impact. Enjoy the freedom of unlimited, on-demand training with no time constraints. Repeat and refine as needed. Standardize and scale out training across your organization, ensuring consistency in training delivery to different cohorts of employees and across multiple sites. Gain enhanced employee engagement through experiential learning. Significantly reduce training times because VR allows multi-day processes to be condensed into a single training session and is not dependent on lead times for equipment or consumables, enabling a seamless and uninterrupted training journey. Get ready to excel in core GMP behaviours with the Accelerate training modules. Our training is hands-on, immersive and highly engaging, providing good preparation for cleanroom operators. We understand that every customer is different, which is why we provide flexible options for setting up your VR training platform. For customers with their own VR hardware, we offer our cutting-edge software for easy integration into your headsets. Alternatively, explore our comprehensive package options that include provision of VR headsets preloaded with our Accelerate software. With Accelerate, the future of GMP cleanroom training is here. Reducing costs, reducing risks, reducing environmental impact, improving training efficiency, improving digital skills development, and engaging trainees.